Is that okay?
Like start on the bridge?
No.
Or start on you and then we'll push it?
Okay, so right now we are here at Lewis Hayes Park. This is right along the Guadalupe River. You see the Guadalupe River, about half a football field.
Because they pretty well got everything damaged. I mean,
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Are these tractors or are these? What are these?
So I believe they were having like a 4th of July event down here.
Yeah.
To the left, you can see all the truss, like 15, 20 feet up
Yeah.
in the tree and the trailer.
Yeah, I heard that. And I got to get there at some point too.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Well, you guys let us know if we're in your way. Yeah. What do you call a truck that's got like, looks like this is meant for.
But I wasn't here like,
For the 4th?
yeah, for the 4th.
No. Oh, I got you. Okay.
As of 5:30, we have recovered 43 deceased individuals in Kirk County. Among these who are deceased, we have 28 adults and 15 children. 12 adults pending identification and 5 children are pending identification at this time.
We're kind of looking at this in two ways. Call it the known missing, which is the 27 camp kids that are missing. We will not put a number on the other side because we just don't know. Campers are coming in for 4th of July weekend. People are camped along the riverbank. People are coming in to visit. There's a number that we just don't know yet, and we don't know what we don't know. So as things are starting to develop and as things are starting to move along, we're not going to put a cap on this. We are just going to continue until we find everything else.
Complete shock. I'm still in shock today. The devastation was such that I'm still in shock today. And with the rescues going on and the helicopters, you just know there's so many missing children and missing people. You just want them to be found for the sakes of the families. But you know it's not going to be a good ending. It's just not going to be. There's no way people could have survived the swiftness of the water.
So what you're showing me there?
What I have here are photos of the RV park right at the end of my granny's road that were completely flooded.
Oh no, Granny. I can't get any more. Oh my God. Oh my God, it's coming up to my feet.